So I'm driving to the airport because Sean Johnson up in Kentucky decided to do a little internet STOL competition between us 170s. He doesn't even have a 170, it's a 172 tail wheel. Anyway, he's already cheating. He's got like Horton STOL kit. He only weighs like 4, maybe 4.5 pounds. Here I am at 250, but I'm not gonna let him beat me. No one's beating me. No one is gonna beat me. So the secret to winning these things is to be as light as possible. I'm going to take everything I can out of this plane. I got all kinds of stuff in there. Last thing you want to do before you get beat up on people in a STOL competition. Not sure that's going to cut it. Slight little crosswind's all we got over here. Taking off runway 33.
Bobcat traffic, Silver Cessna is back taxiing runway 33 above. What I'm going to do, I'm going to line up with the front of the numbers. Give us a good spot to measure from. A little bit of an uphill. That looks good. Make sure full rich carbeat is in. My lights are on. Trim is good.
Lando Bobcat, green, Cessna, clear active runway, Lando Bobcat.
Lando Bobcat, Silver Cessna is taking off runway 33, going to be departing to the west. Lando Bobcat. Alright, everything's good to go. Full power. Now comes up 1, 2, 3. And airborne we is.
Man, I just don't think that's going to be good enough, so I'm going to go out and give it one more shot.